Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making this recipe is creamy peanuts butter made in a blenders. And start. In this instructable learn how to make creamy peanuts butter in a blender. Making peanut butters at home is fun and easy to do. Plus, it gives you complete control over the ingredients that go inside of it. Do not forget to follow me and check out my other instructables. Follow the easy step below or watch the short video. Supplies: peanuts, honey. Ingredients: 2 by 3 cup of peanuts, 1 by 4 2 1 by 2 tablespoon of salt. Leave out if the peanuts are already salted. 2 by 3 tablespoon of honey. Add more if you want it sweeter. 1 by 2 tablespoon of oil. Peanuts, coconuts, tools, equipments. High speed blender like a Vitamax. You can try a cheaper blender and see if it works. Spelt, spoon, sheet pan. If you are roasting your peanuts first, they are not spoon showing me. It just happened to be the blender I own and use. Step 1. Roasting and first blends. Making peanut butter in a blender is really easy as long as the blender is strong enough. First, let's talk about the peanuts. You can use roasted peanuts, salted or unsalted. It is a good idea to roast the raw peanuts because it's add to the flavor, but it not necessary. Or of course you can use already roasted peanuts. If you want to roast them, add the shelled peanuts to a sheet pan. Set at the heat to 300 and 148 centigrades in your oven and roast the peanuts for about 15 minutes. Allow them to cool completely before processing to the first blend. Add the peanut to the blender depending on the size of your blender. I don't know recommends adding any more than 3 by 4 cup of peanuts. Then add an additional ingredients like the oil and honey. Start the blender on the lowest settings and greatly brings it up to the highest settings. Use the temporary to press down the peanuts on the sides towards the button. Do this for about 30 seconds or so. Then open it up and press more down with a spoon or spatula. Step 2. Final blend. At this point, you can also give it a tasty and see if you would like to add a bit more salt or honey. You may want to add more oils as well depending on how creamy you want it. Replace the lid and then mix again for another 30 seconds or so. Depending on your blender, you may only need one blender of a 1 minute. For other blenders, you may need to do it in a page. Step 3. Finished peanuts butter. Scoop the peanut butter out and place in a bowl or something like a mason jar. There you go, homemade creamy peanuts butter for all your peanuts butter needs. Enjoy these recipes.